Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Ma'am, Miss Ira Piruetas. This is Group 3 presenting to all of you. Our system is entitled College Information System. Let me just introduce myself. I am Maribel Tikman.
I am John Frederick Espaldez.
I'm Rowena Enduray.
I'm Wardley B. Fernandez.
John Ray Victorio.
I'm Mayna Simacarales. I am Bianca Escaladhay.
And we are Group 3. Our system is entitled of College Information System. We're going to create a table and data about the page of Perpetual Health College of Pangasinan. In creating table, it involves naming the table and defining the columns and each column's data type. To create table and SQLite, we use create table statement using the following syntax. Create table, table name, column name, data type, primary key. To insert the information, details, or data, we use code insert into statement the following syntax. Insert into table space, values open parentheses, insert, open and close single quote, then close parentheses, and lastly, semicolon. Let's proceed to create all the table as mentioned earlier. Create table programs offered. The column under this table are criminology, data type is varchar, primary key 50, hotel and restaurant management, data type varchar, primary key 50, business courses, data type varchar, primary key 50, allied courses, the data type varchar, primary key 50, computer studies, data type varchar, and primary key 50, and same as with the others. And then, parun po natin siya. Then, programs offered. We use varchar as data type because this is for letters and a character. For integer, this is for whole number. The integer value limit is 20 and for varchar is 50. Programs offered: criminology, hotel and restaurant management, business courses, allied courses, computer studies, teacher educations, senior high school, junior high school, pre-elementary educations. Next, may I call on John Frederick Salinas to discuss about us.
We use code create table, table name about us, enter for space, type, open parentheses, type text, then close, parentheses, and lastly type, semicolon. We use text code for information and letters. Then, let's insert into table name. Insert into about us space, type values, open parentheses, insert single quote, then type information. Another insert single quote for closing type, close parentheses, lastly type semicolon.
Next presenter, may I call on Rowena Veray.
Create table mission. Enter through space, enter, open type text, then close parentheses, insert semicolon with text, code for information, for colon, details, or data colon. Then let's insert into table name, insert into mission, space, insert values, open parentheses, insert code, then type the information. Another, let's insert for closing single quote, then insert close parentheses, lastly, insert semicolon.
Next presenter, may I call on Warley Fernandez to discuss about the vision.
We use code create, vision, enter first space, type open parentheses, type text, then close parentheses, and lastly, type semicolon. We use text code for information and details. Then let's insert into table name. Insert into vision space. Type values of parentheses, insert single quote, then type information another. Let's insert single quote for closing, then type close parentheses, lastly type semicolon.
Next presenter, may I call on John Ray T. Victorio to discuss about the academics.
To create table for academics, we use code create table academics, enter for space, open parentheses. The columns under this table are admission, scholarship data, type is barter, open parentheses, primary key 50, close parentheses, comma, registrar, data type is barter, open parentheses, primary key 50, insert 2, close parentheses, lastly semicolon. To create information details for data, we use code insert into academics, enter first space values, open parentheses, single quote, admission procedures, and close single quote, comma, open single quote announcement, close single quote. Then the codes with the other academics are just same.
Next presenter, may I call on Myla Cabrera Macaranas to discuss about the online services.
Create table online services. The columns under this table are open parentheses. Pre-exam, data type is varchar. Open parentheses for primary key, 50, then close parentheses, comma, school, automated data is varchar, open parentheses for primary key, 50, insert, close parentheses, and semicolon. We use varchar as data type because it is for letter and character. For insert into online services, and enter first space values, open parentheses, single quote college, single quote comma, insert email grades, lectures, administrations, and just don't forget to insert the single quote for those informations. Lastly, insert semicolon in second row. The code is same as with first row. In the third row, insert into online services, type open parentheses for exams. The close parentheses, enter first space values, insert open parentheses, single quote, Google Classroom, close, single quote, then close parentheses. Lastly, comma, we just use the columns for exam in third row to insert the values Google Classroom.
To discuss about the campuses, may I call on Bianca Estaladhay. Bianca.
First, we need to create table name, campuses, enter for space, values, open parentheses, location, data type, varchar, primary key, open parentheses, 50, and then close parentheses, comma, region, data type, varchar, primary key, open parentheses, 50, and then close parentheses, comma, city, data type, varchar, primary key, open parentheses, 50, and then close parentheses, comma, district, data type, varchar, primary key, open parentheses, 50, and then close parentheses, and lastly, semicolon. then insert into campuses, enter for space, values, open parentheses, open single quote, Binyan Laguna, and then close single quote, comma, and then open single quote again, Laguna, close single quote, comma, and then open single quote again, City of Binyan, close single quote, comma, and then open single quote, Santo Niño, and then close parentheses, semicolon. And for the second, third, fourth, and fifth, they are the same code for the first. And for the sixth row, we use code insert into campuses, open parentheses, location, comma, region, comma, city, close parentheses, and enter for space, values, open parentheses, open single quote, Panay, comma, Rojas, close single quote, and then comma, open single quote again, Panay, close single quote, comma, open single quote again, Rojas City, and then close single quote, close parentheses, and comma. And lastly, for the seventh row, are just the same for the sixth row.
I will discuss the table of contact us. First, we use the code create table contact us, enter first space, open parentheses, locations, the data type is varchar, open parentheses for primary key 50, then close parentheses, comma, insert email, our data type is varchar, then open parentheses, primary key 50, close parentheses, comma, open hours, our data type is varchar, and open parentheses for primary key 50, and close parentheses, comma, mobile number, our data type is integer, open parentheses for primary key 15, then 2 close parentheses, and insert semicolon. For contact us, we use code insert into contact us, enter first space, then type values, insert open parentheses, and double quote for Perpetual Health College of Pangasinan, and double quote again, comma, insert double quote, admission at pangasinan.uphsl.edu.th, then close double quote, comma again, and another double quote for weekdays at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., double quote again for closing, comma, and insert single quote, then type 075-632-1040, then close single quote, then close parentheses, lastly semicolon. And second row, the code are the same in first row. In third row, we use code insert into contact us, and the column under this table are open hours, mobile number, and values, open parentheses, double quote, Sunday, close, double quote, then comma, double quote again, 0906-2846-396, then close, double quote, and close parentheses, lastly semicolon. For fourth row, insert into contact us, the table under this are mobile number only, values, then insert open parentheses, then insert double quote, 0922-8308-182, then close double quote, then close parentheses, semicolon. That's all. Thank you po, ma'am. Miss Ira Piruetas, thank you for watching.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Bye, guys.
Thank you po.
Thank you, ma'am.